Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted a simple, reliable way to pull data straight from a website into Power BI, maybe for analysis, reporting, or just to save a bunch of copy-pasting, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get data from a web page into Power BI with just a few clicks, so you can turn that raw information into powerful insights. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to decide which website has the data you need. This could be anything from a financial data portal, sports statistics, or even just a simple table on Wikipedia. Open up your browser, Google, or any other website you want. Take a look around and make sure the data you need is available in a table format on the page, since that's what Power BI is best at grabbing. Once you're set, all you have to do is copy the URL at the top of your browser. Just a quick tip: make sure you're copying the direct link to the page with the table you want, not a link to a search results page or somewhere that requires a login. Now let's jump over to Power BI Desktop. If you haven't opened it already, go ahead and launch it. Once you're inside Power BI, you'll see a menu called Get Data. This is basically your gateway for pulling in information from all sorts of places. Give it a click and you'll see a search bar. In that search bar, type Web. What we want here is the Web option. This is what allows Power BI to go out to a web page and fetch the data for you. Once you've selected Web, a window will pop up asking for the URL. This is where you'll want to paste that link you just copied. Double-check to make sure there are no typos or extra characters in the address, and then hit Connect. At this point, Power BI will reach out to the site and start pulling in the data it can find. Sometimes, especially on sites with a lot of tables, Power BI will show you a list of all the tables it's detected. Don't be surprised if there are way more than you expected. Some websites have hidden data tables for layout purposes. Carefully browse through the list and click on the one that looks right. If you're not sure, Power BI will give you a little preview, so don't worry if you have to click through a couple to find the exact one you need. And if the website only has one table, Power BI will pick it automatically. Now you'll have two options. You can either click Load to bring the data straight into your report, or Transform Data if you want to do some cleaning up first, like removing unnecessary columns or changing formats. For this walkthrough, let's keep it simple and just click Load. Depending on the size of the table and your internet speed, this part might take a few moments, so be patient if the progress bar lingers for a bit. And that's really all there is to it. Your data is now loaded into Power BI, ready for you to explore, visualize, and analyze however you like. It's a quick and powerful way to skip a ton of manual data entry and opens up so many possibilities for staying up to date with live web data. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd give the video a like. And if you have any questions or run into issues, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Power BI tutorials and data tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.